Right po. Good day, everyone. Welcome to Biocore Technologies. I am Annalyn Olidan, and I am your compliance officer. Today, we'll discuss professional ethics and why they are important in our workplace. Ethics helps us make responsible decisions, protect our customers, and maintain trust in the technology industry. Why professional ethics matter? Professional ethics protect customers, guide us in difficult situations, and can strengthen our company's reputation. They also help us become responsible and trustworthy professionals. Um, we work with sensitive information and important systems. That's why honesty, integrity, and professionalism are essential. Every decision we make affects the trust that customers place in Buycore. So we have three code of ethics and professional conduct. So the first professional code is the ACM Code of Ethics. ACM Code of Ethics encourages professionals to contribute to society, avoid causing harm, respect privacy, and always be honest and trustworthy. The ACM reminds us that technology should improve people's lives, and every decision we make should consider its impact on society. Second code of ethics is the IEE Code of Ethics. It emphasizes responsibility, integrity, fairness, and making decisions that serve the public interest. It also reminds us to take responsibility for our work and encourage ethical behavior among our colleagues. The third code is the Philippines Code of Ethics, which is especially relevant to IT professionals in the Philippines. It promotes professionalism, honesty, and confidentiality, respect for intellectual property, compliance with laws, and social responsibility. So following these principles help us become trustworthy professionals and support the growth of the Philippine IT industry. We have here a scenario, workplace scenario. So if confidential customer information is left unattended, the right action is to provide your trade and help protect the data. Small actions like this help maintain customer trust. Next is workplace scenario 2. If you discover a security vulnerability, report it immediately through the proper process. Ignoring the problem would not put customers and the company at risk. Next is when using open source software, also check the license and give proper credit. Respecting intellectual property is part of being an ethical IT professional. Applying ethics throughout your career. We apply ethics by protecting customer data, respecting others, following company policies, and taking responsibility for our actions. These habits help us build a positive workplace. So active for meeting professionalism. So, so my advice is simple. Ask questions, follow company policies, keep learning, and always speak up if you notice unethical behavior. Professionalism starts with everyday decisions. So, to conclude, ethics is an important part of being an IT professional. By following these ethical principles, we protect our customers, strengthen Microsoft, and build trust in technology. So that's all. Thank you for listening.